I'll now show you the foundations of the Impulso product tracker. At the top, I've selected the demo supplier. This represents the brand you're working with. The first step is to upload the article register. You go to Upload, then select a season. You can add upcoming seasons as well, using your own naming and structure. There are two ways to upload, either drag and drop, or click here to select the article register. In this example, it's Brand X, Autumn/Winter 2025 Main Collection. Once uploaded, your register is in the system. Next, let's look at partners. Here we have the brand connected, and we need to check which partners we're integrated with, meaning which retail stores we're working with. In this example, there are 12 retail stores and 1 agent. Among these retailers, you'll see a mix of large department stores, traditional wholesale accounts, and online shops. One of the core strengths of this platform is its ability to give you a complete market overview, then let you drill all the way down. You can start with a regional view, like all of Europe, narrow it to a single country, such as Germany, focus further on a city, like Munich, and then zoom in on a specific store. Store 55, for example. From there, you can even go deeper, down to a single style number. Let's take style 32-420 as an example. This level of precision gives you full visibility across every market layer, from continent to country to store to SKU. Let's dive into the dashboard and explore the panel overview and basic filtering. Here, you can search freely, filter across all stores connected to your retailers, select from uploaded seasons, and adjust the date range. In this demo, we're viewing data for the current year. At the top, we see total wholesale value for the demo supplier, €823,000. Alongside that, we can track sales and sell-through performance. By hovering over data points, you can instantly see product images, store locations, and quantities. Now, let's look at stock. This panel shows current levels as of yesterday. For example, we can see 82 units of style RWS 48 in store 21. Expanding the panel gives us stock per store across the network. Next is article activity. Here we see products sold yesterday and even 6 days ago. For example, a pant sold in store 79. The system also highlights inactive items. Too often, sales teams assume there's no old merchandise left in stores. But here, we see products that have been sitting for over 640 days, clear signals to take action. We can also track performance across multiple dimensions. Style performance showing top and low sellers, store performance by revenue, department and category breakdowns, retailer and seasonal results, even detailed views by color, style, and size. And the dashboard is fully interactive. Clicking on Store 83 zooms in on its performance alone. Or we can filter by style. For example, the best-selling style 32-420, which generated €47,500 this year. From here, we can follow sell-through, stock distribution, and article activity in detail. This interactivity gives you a complete, flexible view of your business, with the ability to zoom in on any level of detail and take immediate action. Now let's look at the Replenishment Center. This feature helps you manage out-of-stock items and ensure availability across your collections. Let's take Store 55 as an example. At the start of the season, you can set both target levels and alert levels for every product in that store. You decide when you want to be notified, how often, and what order thresholds should trigger a suggestion. The system then generates replenishment proposals, showing current stock, alert levels, and target levels. You can review and adjust these proposals, and when ready, export them directly into your order placement system. This process removes the guesswork. Instead of relying on human accuracy, the replenishment center automates replenishment, making sure you always have the right product at the right time in the right place. Welcome to the Action Center. Here you get a complete view of key signals, such as slow sellers and out-of-stock items. These insights are based on parameters set by the demo supplier. Let's zoom in on Store 55 for this season. You can easily filter by type, location, or article. For example, if I select Slow Seller, the system shows me styles, colors, and seasons, along with recommended actions I can take with my retail partner to improve sell-through. If I choose Out of Stock, the Action Center highlights where stockouts are happening and suggests actions to resolve them. Now let's take a closer look at individual stock within the product tracker. Here, you can view performance at the brand, team, or supplier level, across all stores and all seasons. The dashboard shows key metrics such as total current wholesale stock value, stock in units, and sell-through rate at any given time. You also have full visibility into style names, locations, brands, sizes, colors, stock levels, and sell-through. And you can slice and filter the data however you need. For example, let's look at Store 55 for Spring 2026. We see a current stock value of 3,300 euros, with 99 pieces and a sell-through rate of 53%. From there, you can drill down further, filter by sell-through, and identify the actions needed to improve performance based on the store, season, or specific style. The individual stock view offers a focused, flexible way to explore your data. To help users and sales teams save time on analysis, the platform includes a notification center. This feature provides real-time alerts, what we call impulses, based on the parameters set by the user. For example, you might receive a notification about an out-of-stock item. With one click, you can see exactly where the stockout is happening and what actions can be taken to resolve it. Or, if the system flags a slow seller, the notification takes you directly into the Action Center. There, you can filter by type, location, or article and explore which actions you and your retail partner can take to drive sell-through.